Alright, for today, I am breaking two 2021 Panini Chronicles draft picks. These are the Mega Box. So I guess you get 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, and you should get a guarantee autograph right here. So hopefully we get one of those big ones from the quarterbacks. But today, 2 boxes, Mega. Let's do this. Now I know a lot of people don't like these Chronicle series, but because they prefer, I guess, the drafted players on the professional uniform. But I'm okay either way, you know. Alright. Here's some packs. And I'm going to grip this one too. Okay. And this is the second box right here. Alright, so let's go. This box, first box first. Okay, alright, here we go. Okay, nice. Alright, so that's the one before, I guess. I'm just going to put them in a different pile. Here we go. Alright, Trey Lance, nice. I guess I'm going to put a pile with all the quarterbacks. Top quarterbacks. Score. Here. Justin Field. And Flux. Alright, let me just make sure I put in the right spot here, so I'm pretty sure we need more space. Alright. Change. And oh, Mac Jones, nice. And I also read today on the news that Panini lost the NBA license. So it looked like Fanag will take over at 2026. So the only thing left is football, which is, I think, is inevitable, really. I think Fanag will get all license, including the upper deck hockey, too. But, and now, of course, people are talking about Fanatic buyout tops and Panini, but I don't know. Anything can happen, right? Alright, Zach Wilson. Actually, I'm going to just put all the quarterback in this pile. Make it easy. Oh. Yeah, I believe this is our first autograph. Tariq Black. Texas Longhorn. Very nice. I'm just going to sleeve him up. Oh, this is a nice one. Trey Lance. Very nice. And Spectra. My personal opinion, to be honest with you, is once Panini lost the football and everything else, the next few years, Topps and Panini, don't be surprised if they start pumping out stuffs. You know, just like the early 90s, right? So if you're investors, I wouldn't invest the next few years. But if you like me, just want to, break boxes just for fun, then I guess it doesn't matter. I guess actually it might be good because I expect the price to go down. You know, expect the price to go down, more affordable. But if you want to invest, this might be the last year you want to invest in. But that's just me. Let's get Mac Jones. This is nice. Okay. I hate sometimes that you get an autograph like early in the packs and it ruined the fun. I'd rather have toward the end, but that's just me. This is cool. All right. All right. Or not Mac Jones. I got a lot of Mac Jones for some reason. But this is cool, right? Look like this is the gold. It's not number, but look like this is orange parallel. That's cool. I'm actually behind right now. I have a lot of stuff that came in while I was out on vacation, and so I need more time just to be able to break these boxes. But yeah, I have a lot sitting here waiting for me to break. Okay. Justin Field back to back. Kind of trash. All right, last pack from the first box. There's another one. Cool color. Trevor Lawrence. Nice. That's the first Trevor Lawrence. All right, so that's box number 1. And we are now going to box number 2. Great rookie. And book. Come on. Betcha Sultan. Oh, this is the orange parallel one too. Nice. Cool, Recon. And Trey Lance also. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to NFL start the season. Especially, I plan to go a couple games this year. Last year was tough to go. But this year, yeah, I'm ready. Love Jamar Chase. And select. Alright. Score. Spectra. I think I messed up. Yeah, these two go here, sorry. There we go. There we go. All right. So yeah, like I said earlier, I do have a lot of stuff to break. So if you want to follow along, just make sure to subscribe and hit the notification. And every time I post a video, you will be able to see it. Right. Cool. All right. No auto yet. Oh. Here's the auto right here. Hamza. No idea how to pronounce his last name. Sorry. Florida State 7-0. Receiver? Yeah, look at it. Alright, well, this is his auto for this one. We did not get any big rookie auto in these two boxes. But and this is the orange parallel too. The orange parallel for the mega box. Oh yeah, also I want to give a huge shout out to everyone. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, which is an amazing feat. I was on my way back from my short trip out of town, and I saw the notification that I finally get 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Oh, this is nice. But you know, I love cards, love to break cards. And I'm not much of a value kind of guy. I just, ooh, here we go. Just love the feel of breaking these things. All right, and here's the last pack. Okay. XR and Jamar Chase is our last card. All right, so 2 mega box, and these are 2 autos. Tariq Black and Hamza Nasiruddin. I gotta look it up to see how to pronounce his name. I'm so sorry, don't want to butcher his name, but these are the 2 autos from 2 mega. This is the stack of the rookie quarterbacks, and the rest right here. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I will definitely break some more this week. Take care.